Let's learn to make a snail today. It's quite simple. I have used non-air drying clay, but you can use any other clay or dough available. To make the snail, I have taken red, pink, white and black clay. Take similar amount of clay as seen on the screen. Cut the black clay into half and mix it properly into a red clay lump to get a darker shade of red. Pinch the red colored clay ball into a somewhat conical shape. The pointed end of the cone is the tail end of the snail and the broader end forms the head. Turn the tail inwards to form a small spiral. Long back, I had collected some seashells from the seashore and I am using one of them to form the back of the snail. Now turn the spiral close to the shell. Take two tiny white clay balls and flatten them on the head to form the eyes. Two really tiny black clay balls are now flattened on the white to form the eyeballs. Take little pink clay, roll it into a sphere and stick it in between the two eyes to form the nose. Take a pencil and make two holes to form the dimples. Stretch a curved line from one dimple to another to form the smile. Now let's make the antennas of the snail with black clay. Hold a small black clay ball in both your index fingers and roll it in the center downwards to form a kind of nail shape. Stick them appropriately to form the antennas. My snail is ready. Okay. What if you don't have any shells around? No worries. We will make a shell using clay. I have taken pink colored clay ball and I am rolling it into a long thick coil with tapered ends. Now roll the coil to form a conical shell and place it on the back of the snail. Isn't that easy? There is more to go. I am going to show you another simpler way of forming a shell for the snail. You can roll a long coil with tapered ends as shown and now roll it into a flat spiral and place it on the back of the snail. Ta-da! Isn't that looking cute too? Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe.